Good morning everyone. My name is Dwani Rajesh Bandari. I am studying in first standard. Seeing this, you have already identified me. Yes, I am the planet Earth. It has fresh air, pure water, landscape filled with beautiful flowers and forests. But wait, I am not same anymore. I am polluted because of the people who have started building towers, factories, some human activities. When you people cut trees for your use in a huge amount, when you